Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting at the router web interface, so connect to the Pldt modem now. Once connected, open your browser and go to 192.168.1.1. Enter the admin username and password, check the router sticker or your Pldt account. If you can't log in, power cycle the router and retry. Otherwise, reset only if you have credentials backed up. From here, you'll access Wi-Fi settings to find band steering controls, so stay on the main admin page after login. Now you'll find the setting that manages automatic band assignment. In the admin menu, choose wireless or Wi-Fi, then open advanced or dual band settings. Look for Smart Connect, band steering, or similar. These names vary, but the function is the same. Turn that toggle off, and if you want fine control, create separate SSIDs and passwords for 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz. This lets you force devices to a specific band for stability and performance. Once you disable band steering, save, or apply the settings, the router might reboot, so wait until it finishes. Then reconnect your devices to the specific 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz SSID you created and check signal and speed to confirm correct band assignment. If a device won't connect or behaves oddly, reboot the device, clear its Wi-Fi profile, and try again. If issues persist, perform a factory reset only after backing up settings. This is the last resort to restore correct operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.